Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram, confirm this account belongs to you. To get back into this account, you will need to complete some security step. If you solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting, scroll down, click on apps, again click on manage apps, search Instagram application, tap on Instagram application, go to storage, tap on clear data, again tap on clear cache data on Instagram application, go back, click on apps permission. You make sure your Instagram application all apps permission allow. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version and solve this problem. Instagram, this account belongs to you. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. You make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is properly connected. Step 4. Restart your device. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram, confirm this account belongs to you. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.